all the wood again. It's getting really irritating to take it in and out and in and out. There's no storage for it, but it's really good wood, so I really want to use it. Yeah, the plan today is to clean the entire back and potentially repaint it if I've got time, but literally just make sure this is ready to go for the conversion. I'm gonna sweep all the floors, deep clean everything, make sure there's no issues inside. Yeah, let's get to cleaning. It's quite interesting being in here when it's pitch black, because you can see all the little holes that you need to fill. This is doing my head in. I literally cannot keep this door shut to save my life. I definitely think that door not opening properly is the most annoying thing so far about this build. It doesn't open like the other door, it doesn't stay open, it just swings. So whenever there's any wind or whenever I'm getting out, it just swings open and it could cause issues eventually. So definitely need to get that fixed soon. Starting to think that this is a jet wash job and not a sweepy brush job. There's a lot of mouldy dirt, a lot of wet dirt. It's literally stuck in. It's a 10-year-old van. This is 10-year-old dirt that's been there for years, and there's loads of nails and stuff. So what I'm going to do instead of cleaning today, gather anything up that I think is going to be useful. So nails, screws, bolts, anything like that, and then jet wash it. Don't even know what this is. Any ideas what this is? Let me know. Looks useful. Honestly, there is so much random stuff in this van. Like this was found down there. So I think I'm gonna call it here for today. I've done some mad cleaning, to be fair. It doesn't even look like I've touched it, but I've got rid of so much stuff and gathered so many nails. Oh, this is gonna be difficult to clean. I'm hoping that I can borrow someone's jet wash and do it all in a day and get it absolutely spotless. And it could also do with a hoover. But with all that being said, please follow the journey, subscribe, like, comment, all that kind of stuff. It's going to be a 12-monther, but it's going to be a fun one because I don't know what I'm doing, so learn with me. Yeah, thanks for watching and goodbye.